got between a foot and 16 inches snow last night. I don't own a pair of snowshoes, but regardless, I like to get out into the woods, do a little walkabout. It's one of my favorite things to do this time of year when it's cool, is to really get outside into the fresh air, get into the woods and see what I can see, look for wildlife, signs of wildlife, just look at the scenery. It's really beautiful out here.
I like to challenge my skills under different circumstances, so I'm going to give myself about 15 minutes to gather enough natural tinder to start a fire right here in the snow, using only my cup, my knife, and my mag box.
Wow, I don't want to grab that. That's a thorny bush. But that's good stuff. That's why I like carrying these cups around.
I'll pick out a spot and see how quick I can get a useful fire going.